Hello, it's Natasha. Thank you for joining me. It's a quick video. I didn't really plan it, but then I decided to film it while I was playing and decided to make a layout. I thought, why not film it? So I wanted to make a layout and I haven't even decided on the photo yet. And this is sort of a sketch I sometimes make before setting out on crafting journey. And now I'm trying to do something that I don't really do very often. I think it's probably the second time I actually use this texture paste. It's Vendiveci or Vecchi, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, texture paste, and I mix it with Pinkfresh Studio watercolor. It's lavender watercolor if I'm not mistaken, so I mix it with a spatula and I will apply it on a piece of white cardstock. I have this stencil with sort of distressed geometrical shapes. I don't really remember their manufacturer of this stencil, but I'm sure you have a lot of stencils, and well, it doesn't really matter which stencil you use here. So here I'm applying this texture paste, and I'm really having fun with it. If you know me, if you follow me on Instagram or here on YouTube, you probably know that I'm really more into clean and simple cards or layouts, and I don't really do mixed media much, but I really enjoyed playing with this. And as so while this is drying, I will quickly walk you through Indigo Hills 2 collection from Pinkfresh Studio. This was actually the collection that was an inspiration for me. Gorgeous paper, and I just love it. I think this is the collection that actually started my scrapbooking journey. I have only started scrapbooking recently and making layouts recently. And I had been a card maker mostly, but now I'm really excited about trying scrapbooking and making layouts, and I really love the pages from this collection. Really beautiful, and there is a lot of inspiration online with this collection already. So you have 12 by 12 paper, of course, and also a 6 by 6 pad. That way you have one-sided same designs, and also you have stickers which will be perfect for card making. There are some nice saying, let's be nice to each other, enjoy the little things, daring adventures. So, and they will work fine for scrapbooking and for card making. You have animal dots, obviously dots, and then you have this wooden stickers which are really high quality, and then you have these journaling spots with gold foil which look really gorgeous, and you have 2 packs of alpha stickers, golden, which are bigger, and you have smaller ones which are navy blue, pink, mint, and what's the second color? The second color is, yeah, violet. And you have ephemera pack, which has a lot of nice embellishments, and you have puffy stickers. So this is really great collection, jam-packed with awesome goodness. And these are chipboard stickers. There are a lot of frames there, and I will be actually using one of the frames in my layout today. So yeah, here is the frame, and here is the photo that I decided to use. And these flowers, actually, I fussy cut them from one of the pages from the collection, and I'm not a fussy cutter really, you know, so, but it was not difficult, obviously. And of course I can't go without splatters, so I'm using again Pinkfresh Studio watercolor splatters. It's the same color, the lavender, that I mixed with the texture paste, and I also decided to add a little bit of blue because the collection has blue shade. So I decided, and I really went, you know, like I had fun with splatters. And I also added some golden splatters as well, because I thought I might use golden alphas for my title. but then I thought better of it. But anyway, these golden splatters I think looked really nice, and you will be able to see them later on the close-up photos. So now I'm just arranging my elements, and design-wise I'm sort of stretching the arrangement from top to the bottom, and I'm just arranging the flowers in such a way that they're sort of stretching from the bottom to the top. So yeah, I'm just playing with them and adhering them with some liquid adhesive. And now these frames, these chipboard stickers are self-adhesive, so I removed the protective tape and just adhered the frame. Now I'm deciding on the sentiment, and these are two sentiment sets from Pinkfresh Studio. There are some really great sentiments there, like be brave, be brilliant, be stronger than your excuses, and some really great one. This one, my favorite things to say, is just one of my favorites recently, and I have been using it a lot. So in the end I decided on you are capable of amazing things and be stronger than your excuses, because the look that my daughter has on this photo, I think it sort of goes well with this sentiment. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you like this layout, and subscribe to my channel and have fun crafting, and hope to see you again soon for more inspiration. Have a great day. Bye.